Rob here from Unimedia, and we're going to go through the site identity settings in WordPress, so stay tuned. At Unimedia, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub, we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we are going to show you a couple of settings that you should set before you start building your nav bars and your web pages. So we're going to show you how to set the site logo, a couple of site identity options, and also tell WordPress which page that you've created or will be creating is going to be your home page. So I suggest you go to pages, you add a couple of pages, you don't have to build them yet, but just add a couple of pages, call one of them your home page, and then come back to this and we will start. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to appearance on the left here, and we're going to click customize. So as you can see here, this is our nav bar. This is a site logo element in Elementor. We haven't got a site logo set yet, so this isn't bringing anything through, and that's what we're going to do now. So let's click site identity on the left, select logo, and at the bottom of our media library we can see our logo here. If I select that, we can't see it at the moment because it is white on a white background. If we stretch those up, we could click skip cropping, or we can click crop image, and just be careful if you are cropping the image, it will cut a few edges off depending on the area that you've selected. So let's crop, and now we can see that our logo has been set. So this means wherever you drop in the site logo element in Elementor, this will automatically come through. You don't need to go through the media library when you drop these elements in. This is now set. The next thing we're going to look at is the site title. This is just our demo website, so the site title where we've just left as a default demo site. But next we've got the tagline, and the tagline is normally just something about the website, something extra. In this case we've just said the best website course. You can see on this screenshot I've taken where the site title and the tagline appear when you hover over the internet tab. Next, in site identity, we've got the site icon, or it's also known as the fav icon. This is normally a very small graphic or icon that represents your business, maybe your logo, but very, very small. WordPress recommends having this at least 512 by 512 pixels, even though this is only going to display it at a very small size. But the same principles work here. Select, find your fav icon, click it, and then click select. Going back to the previous screenshot, we can see this is where you will see the fav icon. So let's go back. And the next thing I'm going to show you very quickly is the menus. We've already set our menus through Elementor, but if we click through, we can set our primary menu. We can also view the menu location, so your theme can display menus in one location. And if I click that, we just have to set our main menu here, or our primary menu, as menu 1, because that is the menu we want. Let's go back, and now we are going to set our home page. So all we have to do is select a static page, and in this drop down here we choose the page that we've created that we want to be our home page. And finally, let's go back and have a look at the additional CSS here. Do not enter this if you do not know how this area works or how CSS works. This is for those that are advanced and experienced in CSS code. When you're happy with what you've just done, so we've set the site logo and the site identity and the home page, all you have to do is click publish, and that is all there is to it. So we will see you in the next video.